to turn. Turn means the turning. To turn a MS bar of 4 centimeter diameter down to 3 centimeter diameter for a length of 10 centimeter in single cut. 10 centimeter in single cut. Assume cutting speed 30 meter per minute and feed 0.4 mm per revolution. I draw example here. I draw the figure here. Round bar. The length 10 centimeter. The main diameter is 4 centimeter. But after the cutting we need 3 centimeter diameter. After the cutting we need 3 centimeter diameter. How much diameter required to reduce the 1 centimeter diameter? But the one rule in the turning, if we want to reduce 1 centimeter diameter, then the depth of cut is 0.5. If we need reduce 1 centimeter diameter in the turning operation, then depth of cut is equal to 0.5 we take. આપણે 1 સેન્ટીમીટર ડાયામીટરને રિડ્યુસ કરવો હોય તો ડેપ્થ ઓફ કટ 0.5 લેવી પડે. આ આપણને ખબર છે. બરાબર, ના ખબર હોય તો યાદ રાખજો. Now write down the data. The main D is equal to 4 centimeter. L is equal to 10 centimeter. Cutting speed S is equal to 30 meter per minute. F is equal to feed 0.4 mm per revolution. Number of cut is equal to 1. Okay. So, what is the equation for the first? Cutting time T is equal to L upon Fn. देखो हमारे पास टाइम T हमको ढूंढना है, तो उसका इक्वेशन लगता है L अपॉन Fn. बट हमारे पास L है, लेंथ ऑफ कट, स्पीड है, बट आरपीएम नहीं है. तो वी वांट आरपीएम, तो N इज इक्वल टू 100 S अपॉन पाई डी. 100 S दिया गया है जो 30 अपॉन पाई इंटू 4. इसका आंसर आता है 238.732 आरपीएम. तो T इज इक्वल टू L अपॉन Fn. तो L इज इक्वल टू 10 सेंटीमीटर. फीड, इधर फीड देखो हमको mm में दी गई है, तो फीड वी वांट टू इन सेंटीमीटर, तो हम उसको 2 पॉइंट आगे ले लेंगे. तो mm को सेंटीमीटर में कन्वर्ट करते हैं 0.04 सेंटीमीटर पर रिवॉल्यूशन. तो फीड 0.04 इंटू आरपीएम 238.732 इज इक्वल टू टाइम मिलता है 1.047 मिनट. Steel rod of 60 mm diameter and 120 mm length is to be reduced 55 mm in one cut by the turning. Its length is to be reduced to 100 mm. If cutting speed is 25 meter per minute and the feed is 0.1 meter mm per revolution, find the time required to finish the job. So here you have two operations, one turning and the another facing. Here you have two operations, one turning and the another one just facing. I draw here one figure. Diameter 120 mm length, 60 mm main diameter. Now after the turning, the diameter is 55. So this diameter is 55, and after the facing, the length to be reduced 100 mm. So facing length is 20 mm because this length is 100, so remaining 20. The D is equal to 60 mm, convert 6 centimeter. L is equal to, so length L is equal to, so this is the turning operation. Length L is equal to 120 mm, 12 centimeter. Cutting speed S is equal to 25 meter per minute. Feed F is equal to 0.1 mm per revolution. Number of cut is equal to single. Now feed 0.1 mm we will convert in the centimeter to 0.01 centimeter per revolution. Find out the RPM N is equal to 100s upon pi d, 100 into 25 upon pi into d6, 6 centimeter, 132.62 RPM. Now the time t 1, because the turning operation we have two, turning and the facing. So time t is equal to L upon Fn. So L is equal to 12 centimeter, feed 0.2 and the RPM 132.62, 9.04 minute. Okay, so here we complete the turning operation. Now for the facing, our figure. For the facing, diameter is 55. We required length 100. So we cut 20 mm length. So we use this length and this diameter. The D is equal to 55. So 5.55 mm. So 5.5 centimeter. L is equal to 20 mm. So 2 centimeter. S is equal to 25 meter per minute. F is equal to 0.1 mm per revolution. So 0.01 centimeter per revolution, number of cut is equal to 1. So RPM n is equal to 100s upon pi d, 100 into 25 upon pi into 5.5. Answer is what, dear?
एक सौ 144.68
144.68 RPM. Now we calculate the time to T2 is equal to L upon Fn, the length 2 centimeter, feed 0.01 and 144.68, 1.38 minute. Now the total T is equal to T1 plus the T2. So 9.04 plus 1.38, 10.42 minute.